In this video, I'll show you how to set your shipping address on AliExpress. This is a quick and easy tutorial to follow. First, go to aliexpress.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to your profile at the top and hover over it to reveal the menu. Then click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Shipping Address. This is where you can set or update your shipping address. Enter your contact information, your first name, last name, and mobile number. Then enter your full address. You can search by postcode, street, or city to make it easier. If you want, you can check the box to make this your default shipping address. Once all your information is entered, scroll down and click Confirm at the bottom. And that's it. Your shipping address is now successfully set. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and it really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.